So now I'm going to explain what the buttons in the upper part of the project overview screen do. So the first one is add update object scripts. Typically, we'll use one very large SQL dump file to create your project, but oftentimes customers will give you some scripts and then later they will keep on sending you other scripts. So let's start with creating a new project here first. And I'm going to select AdventureWorks 2017 this time. Let's call this project Adventure. Okay, we moved it to Fabric. And now let's say afterwards we got some other scripts. I'm going to click Add Update Scripts. Let's take Wide World Importers this time. Okay, so I'm adding that to the existing project. And here is a full list of added objects here. I click Update. Okay, so now we have project which has both objects from AdventureWorks 2017 and the other one that I have added afterwards. And if I now try to update again using the same script, it's going to say no changes found. Okay, now the second part is the downloads. So I can download two different things here. One is commented staging script or production script. So what is the difference? If you go, for example, into just a list of tables here. On the left side, we see the original. On the right side, we have the Fabric optimized table definitions, and every little change that we do, or large change, is marked with these comments, SQL Tran fix. So, for example, we will emulate identity columns all over the code, but specific tables do not have identity columns. So we comment that out. And we'll change the data types from n varchar 50 to varchar 100 per Microsoft recommendations and so on. And we'll write all these as columns here, also getting rid of the collation. So if we go here to downloads commented staging script, we have downloaded it, and we have downloaded it with all of these comments preserved. But if I click download production script, well, that of course creates the target script without all these comments, which serve to let you know everything that we have changed. Then the last button is actions. Here we have in this special demo build that we do not distribute, two items I have used in a previous video to show the exact timings, how long does it take us to parse and translate. Then we have refresh metadata, which is used to fetch the database structure if you have connected your source and target staging database, and all the other ones are also for the related to the database connections. So I'm gonna show this in other videos, but just it's enough to say to refresh metadata fetches the full structure of source and target database by connecting to servers and ensuring that what we have there, and then you can just create the full target database, or even drop all the objects that we have created in target. You can just remove them if you want to do this iterative development here.